This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the hood stops on a 2003 Chevy Suburban. So a friend recently got this car and the hood just kind of blows around in the wind, and these things were not adjustable. So when you look at the bottom of this rubber stopper, it basically fits on the head here, just slides over it. And then this is the one from the passenger side. So I tried to grab this with a vice grip to loosen it up on the passenger side after hitting it with PB Blaster a day ago, and that was no success. When I twisted it, it just broke off. And this is what the one looks like on the driver's side. And when I turn this one, that little bushing that was held in there just spins. So with the one that I broke on this side, I went and got my trusty dusty grinder and I ground the top of the bushing off, and then I just hit this thing with a punch and drove it through. So now I have the bushing and the bottom half of the bolt. I'll just go to Rock Auto and order a new piece to put in there. I might have to put a little bit of Loctite or something on it to hold it in, but I'll hit this with primer and then put the new piece in later. But my technique is to just take the grinder, cut the shaft off here, and then there's just that little sleeve left, and I actually cut the sleeve itself. This is what it looks like after I cut that bolt off. Now I'll take the grinder and wipe out this shoulder on that little bushing, and then I can just tap it out with a punch. Now it's ground down to the surrounding metal. I'll tap that with a punch and catch it on the inside. So these are the two corroded and chopped off bolts. I'll buy a couple more, be out here in a day or so to put them back in. Well, today I'm installing the hood stops. So when I went to the junkyard with a buddy, I looked at these things, I saw that they were oversized on both the underside and the outside. So my plan of just dropping them into the hole was not going to work. So what I ended up doing is just taking the grinder at the junkyard, I cut off this piece of metal, and then I took a step drill. I drilled this hole out oversized. I can drop this thing in there. I'm just going to use some 1/4-inch rivets. I'll paint it black, and then I'll have little bump stops back in action. So it was no cost. The junkyard said, hey, go ahead and have those stoppers, and I'll have this thing set up here in just a minute. When I installed the hood stops, I used some of that white lithium grease down here on the base of the threaded portion. It's too cold today for me to spray paint this, so I'll come back on a warmer day and spray paint it. But in the meantime,